All right, lately on Jill of All Trades, we've done so many home improvement projects and furniture projects. So today I'm going to show you a cleaning hack. We haven't done one of those in a while. This mirror has a little bit of a story behind it. I actually bought it in a frame off Facebook Marketplace for 10 bucks. I was going to fix up the frame, which was broken. Turns out the frame is a little bit of a disaster. When I tried to paint it, the paint just blistered, and when I tried to repair it, the corners were just a mess. So I'm actually just gonna abandon the frame. I'm keeping the mirror though, and I actually was able to trash pick a frame that fits this mirror pretty much exactly. But I still need to fix up the mirror. So the frame that I'm gonna use is free, and this, I still have 10 bucks in the mirror. The person that had this before me tried to paint the frame of the mirror and masked it off and then abandoned the project and never took the masking tape off. So it looks like it's been on there for years, and that is just dried out and stuck. Now, you could probably take a razor blade and work on that, but it's still pretty tough. And the thing is, this mirror has a beveled edge. I don't want to damage the edge of that because it's really a good mirror. So here's my hack. Essential oils, and specifically the citrus oils. Lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, tangerine, all of them are great at cutting through gunk and dried on sticky stuff. So that's what I'm going to use today. I'll start with lemon. That's what most people are most likely to have in the house if you're into essential oils. And I'm just going to drip this down the edge. And we're going to let that sit for just a moment and kind of work its magic on that dried on tape. I'm even going to take my finger and kind of spread it along the edge there. And we're going to give that maybe 5 minutes. All right, we've given this between 5 and 10 minutes to kind of sit and work its magic. So we're going to come back and test it now. And this is a look at that. That just wipes right off. It didn't even want to scrape off before. Let's come back here where there's still tape on it. Look at that. You'll be able to peel it right up. And if I had to, I could come back and put a few drops on it and get it a little, there we go. How's that for easy? Let's go up here. This is sticky stuff, actually had like sand or grime in it. It just wipes right off. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And so now I've got it off the mirror, and I haven't scratched it, I haven't damaged the, the bevel or anything like that. So that's what I wanted to do. Now, I'm gonna show you one more thing that you can do with essential oils. Follow me. Okay, here's another spot where the essential oils are really handy. This door in my workshop had been painted by somebody else a long time ago, and they never cleaned up the paint, and I've never gotten around to it. So that's the kind of thing you can actually scrape with a razor blade, but it's still a little bit of work to get that done. Same thing with the oils. You come in, and we're just going to drip, whoops, a little bit of lemon oil down the edge of that. And I'm going to take my finger and rub it in. And again, we're going to give that a couple minutes. So we're back to our door now. We've let this sit for 5 or 10 minutes. Here's where we put it on the dried paint. Check that out. It wipes right off the glass. Pretty amazing. So there you have it. Cleaning with essential oils on Jill of All Trades.